What do we think, Zacho?
Ready to rip. Looks good. Track looks awesome. I think not super dusty, not muddy, so what more can you ask for?
You couldn't have brought the 300 out for this?
Well, Carlin's on my 300, so I'm riding this.
Right.
I'm not like a two-stroke lover. I think our Beta 300s are really, really good, but I just prefer the 450.
He needs to get you a 125 just so you have the arsenal.
Yeah,
and
the
get you a
whole
125 video.
Yeah,
again.
I got a trials bike on the way, so then I'll just have the whole
there you go.
bases covered.
Have fun, buddy.
Thank you.
Factory Racing Husqvarna, Corey. Shelby Turner. Up next, the 198. Aboard the FMF Factory Racing Landers KTM. Bill, New Jersey, riding aboard the Chopper Automotive at KTM, Carly Lee. Riding aboard the Landers Max Factory Racing KTM, Abby Harris. Out of Zanesville, Ohio, riding aboard the Shriver's Pharmacy Formation Cementing and Vicons Back Yamaha, Ellie Wingland. Seconds for row number 1, the WXC. Industry class, Zach Osborne.
I was a lot down.
So you didn't get second?
No.
They said you got second.
I did the same thing though.
Yeah, I was like, what?
Oh, so if I would have passed Cole Cole, they would have been like, oh, Jesse won.
I told him, I'm like, what if Jesse passed him? Like, he's got to do another lap then.
Oh, yeah.
I don't mean to point fingers, but I'm pretty sure you cut the track.
Just a little bit. Just
Okay.
a little bit.
All right.
Did you go 3 laps on fuel?
No, I did 2, I think.
You did.
When I fueled up, like, this thing was like, this thing eats gas.
Dude.
What lap did you do, 3?
Dude, last 2 laps, you turned it on.
Yeah, dude, I
You're
was
catching
feeling
the
good.
boys, man.
I was feeling good. It's tough though, cause like I'm feeling good, so many lappers, and then I get behind like the women's pro, dude, and they're like going the same speed as us, kinda. And it's like, well, you want to make the pass, but you don't want to, ruin their days. So, I don't know. That track was a ton of fun. It's probably the best I've ever seen it.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I had a blast.
Good to see you back at the GNCC, bro.
Definitely, it feels good.
Did you have fun?
I did. I actually had a really, really good time. Blew it on the last lap in the mud hole, and yeah, lost the win, but I had a good day. It was good fun. No complaints.
Is this probably the most fun you've had doing a GNCC?
Yeah, other than Florida in 2013, that was pretty epic.
Other than the blisters on your hands.
That was like a type 2 black hole fun though. This was like fun.
Yeah, you got a point. I mean, you ended up on the podium. I mean, your hands were garbage after that race, but
Hands were trash. Worst they've ever been. I don't know what they look like today. I think they're fine.
they've got to be better than 12 years ago.
No doubt.
Well, they're way better than 12 years ago.
One more time before your champ, Corey Steed. And one more thing left to do before we let our WXC class go. And that is to pop some bottles on the GNCC podium. Corey Steed style here at the Ironman.
Enterprises and Moto teams.